So has anybody else noticed that Umosamseleko did not post Makhumalo on her birthday? Like everybody has posted, her fans or her daughter, Mpilo, her close friends and also family, and she also reposted it as a story on her Instagram. But she did not get posted by her husband. And because you guys know that when Uthando Nesithembu, like these reality shows are being shot, they're being shot like a long time ago. So to me, it seems like the husband and wife have not solved their problems. Like, even no. Because if that's the case, then it seems like this is quite serious. Because why? Like, what is going on? Like, Mosamseleko needs to get his home together. Like, out of all the wives, he knows very well he cannot afford to lose Khumalo. And I mean afford, literally, financially afford to lose Khumalo. Because what the hell is he doing? Like, I feel like there's still trouble in paradise. And also, it's been a long time since Khumalo hasn't posted her husband. But this one, it really showed because of it was her birthday and he did not post her. As you guys know, from Uthando Nesithembu, she blocked her husband, and because of the number 5 thing, number 1, because of Umosamseleko took a girl from her village when she kindly asked that please do whatever you want, but please don't take a woman from my village. He did so. He went ahead and bought a car. And then Umosamseleko did say with his mouth that I know that that is your territory when it comes to cars. Like car issue is your territory. So he went behind his back, even with the house. Samke wants a house. I don't know who Umosamseleko is going to help by, because Khumalo wants no involvement in taking care of Usamke. I'm sorry, taking care of Usamke. And that stupid girl, she went ahead and left her job. Like, yo, guys. Like, I want every wife who gets into Nesithembu to take Khumalo as an example. Because clearly you guys are failing at it. There is no way in hell that you guys are going to leave your work because of a man who has 4 other wives. And all of these wives, yo... Do you know what I think? I also think that Samke saw Maqele not working and being provided for by Mosamseleko, and she said, she has a nice house, she has a nice car, she's being provided for, all she does is stay at home and take care of the kids. I want that. I think that's what she saw and that's what she wanted, which is such a like, she makes me so mad. Like, I'm so disappointed in Samke. You don't leave work for a man. You don't do that, no matter what. Don't leave your job for a man, whether that man is rich or not. We have seen a lot of women by school, bo likes of Lelethi Nkosi. She's going to school. The likes of Ozamaduma, she's at school as well. Should those men leave them, they are going to start practicing their careers, because they did not make their men their financial plan, even though they're stay-home wives, but they have backup plans. They are going to acquire qualifications after qualifications, and Usamke just left her job. Like, she better go back to school then. Like, she better do something. Like, yo, girl, okay, but I hope that they'll be okay though. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.